Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. The iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus and the iRobot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Let's find out which one is the best fit for your cleaning needs. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. The iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus is an innovative machine that combines the powerful vacuum technology of the Roomba J7 Plus with the added functionality of a mop. With just a simple switch of the bin, you can go from vacuuming to mopping, saving you time and effort. The Roomba Combo J5 Plus features a comprehensive 4-stage cleaning system that pulls in dirt, debris, and pet hair from all corners of your home. Plus, with its proprietary Dirt Detect technology, it can detect dirtier areas and clean them more thoroughly when the vacuum bin is installed. One standout feature of the Roomba Combo J5 Plus is its ability to automatically empty its bin on its own for up to 60 days. No more worrying about vacuuming for months. It also knows what to clean and what to avoid, making it a worry-free cleaning companion. If you're a pet owner, you'll appreciate the POOP Pet Owner Official Promise feature. The Roomba Combo J5 Plus will steer clear of your pet's waste, and if it doesn't, iRobot will replace your robot for free. Another great feature is the ability to vacuum when you want and mop when you want. Just use the added Roomba Combo bin, and your robot instantly transforms into a vacuum and mop combo, leaving your hard floors shiny and dust-free. The Roomba Combo J5 Plus also gives you control over where it goes. With the iRobot Home app, you can create no mop zones, ensuring your carpets stay dry while the mop bin is in use. Plus, its advanced navigation and 2 cleaning passes guarantee a thorough clean in neat, efficient rows. And let's not forget the specialized microfiber pad that tackles footprints, dirt, and dust when mopping. Simply fill the Roomba Combo bin with water or a compatible cleaning solution, and you're good to go. The iRobot Vacuum and Mop Combo offers a 3-in-1 functionality, combining vacuuming, mopping, and sweeping capabilities. It's designed to quickly remove dust, paper scraps, and pet hair from your floors. Equipped with a 250 ml dust box and a 200 ml water tank, as well as a roller brush, this robot vacuum and mop combo makes cleaning a breeze. The electronically controlled water tank has 2-speed water outlet modes, ensuring uniform and precise water distribution on all hard floors. With its powerful suction motor and roller brush, this combo effectively vacuums your floors, while the mop function takes care of any stubborn stains or spills. It's a great choice for those who want a hands-free cleaning experience. Based on online reviews, here are the overall assessments of both products. So which product is the winner? Well, it ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for advanced features and convenience, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus is a great choice. However, if you're on a tighter budget and still want a versatile cleaning solution, the iRobot Vacuum and Mop Combo could be the right fit for you. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information and current pricing on both products. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more unbiased product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and remember to always buy smart.